Hey there and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove VMware Workstation from Windows 10 and 11. As you can see here, I've got VMware Workstation on my computer, and that's what I'll be removing from my PC in this video. You can start by opening your browser of choice and then doing a Google search for the Revo Uninstaller. The best match should be the free version of Revo Uninstaller like you see here. Just click on the link to go to the web page. Now you should have a few options to choose from. Select the portable version of the Revo Uninstaller freeware application, and it will start the download. It will download Revo in a zip file, and once it's finished you need to click on the folder icon so you can show it in your Downloads folder. Find the Revo zip file in your Downloads folder, right-click on it and click on Extract All. It should open this new window here, and then you can just click on Extract to extract the files. Once it's finished, you'll have a new folder called Revo. Just open it and then find the Revo application and open it. You'll probably see the license agreement. Just accept it. Now once it's open, find the VMware Workstation app on the list and select it. Next, right-click on it and click on Uninstall. You'll see a confirmation window. Make sure that this checkbox is selected and then just click on Continue. It will start with the initial uninstall first, and you need to click on Yes to start the process. Then once that's done, you'll see this screen. Here you either need to choose Moderate or Advanced and then click on Next. It will scan for any leftover files related to VMware Workstation, and once it's found any, you'll see this screen. Just click on Select All and then click on Delete. You'll see a new window that's similar to the one before. Again, just click on Select All and click on Delete. Lastly, you'll see a message that you need to restart your PC to remove all of the leftovers. Just click on OK and then click on Finish. Now go ahead and restart your computer to finalize the removal of VMware Workstation. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.